Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys basically how you can add the slanted blur video effect to your videos. So I know a lot of people can't find the effect even though they search slanted blur, like where is it? So this is basically where the blur is. I'm just gonna add this video randomly. Go to effects and you're going to search for oblique blur. I don't know if I typed that correctly. Oblique instead of slanted, and this is basically where the slanted blur is now. As you can see, it is the slanted blur. You can change the direction of the blur. But that is it really. This is where you can find the new slanted blur effect. It's called Oblique Blur now. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.